are walking to the metro. We're gonna go to have lunch. Where? Oh my
Brutos.
god. At Brutos. It's such a wonderful day. So nice. It's so sunny, but it's gonna be very hot this afternoon. So Kapi has to stay at home. Anyway, see you at the restaurant. So sunny. My hair is a mess. Waiting to order. Baby, are you excited?
Yes, I'm hungry now.
Me too. So are we gonna get some starter?
What do you want? Tartare de veau.
No. Okay, our starter just arrived. It's the tartar. It's veal, I think, and a little bit of this mini French fry, some wine, and then beer for Lindsay. I love it.
Ah ouais.
Alors, c'est bon? So how was it?
Very
You
good.
like it?
Yes.
Look at him. He's on to the drumstick now.
You
Oh
do
my
this
God.
and you can.
Yum.
Ça c'est le
Oh
meilleur.
my God, guys.
Oh.
30 minutes later, he still keep going with the bread and the sauce, the gravy. He said it's the best. Oh my god, we finished the whole chicken. This is like the best grilled chicken with gravy sauce I ever had in my life. I swear. if anyone is in Paris or is coming to Paris, come and check it out. The restaurant is called Brutos, and the metro, it's the line, I think it's 9, and the station is called Saint-Envoise. Oh my god, look at him.
เหมือนข้าวเหนียวเลย
So French. He said he need to finish every pieces of bread that they give. How was damage today? 75. Let's go and get some coffee. This is the address. Okay, we just got out of the restaurant and we are so full. We ate so much. How was the chicken? You like it?
Yes.
This is actually the first time that he really likes something that I chose, and he said that he would actually come back and eat here again, so that's a good thing. So now we're walking to a little coffee shop just on the other side of the park called the Broken Biscuit. Look what he's having. Soft serve coffee. He just said that he's not gonna drink coffee.
I'm not drinking, I'm eating.
Your face is all red now.
No.
Is it because of it's hot or are you drunk? Oh my god, this is like a street music box. And it actually works. You're not supposed to go that fast.
Wakanda forever.
What the?
Wakanda forever.
He's being silly.
ดูมันหมามัน continue story อยู่สาระเหรอ Wakanda.
Arrête. Today's like the hottest day in Paris. I feel like I'm gonna die. Look at him. We're going home now. Go to see Kapi, and I'm gonna go to see my friend, and Lindsay's gonna go home. And I got some donut for Pijan
มีไหม
and Emilian. Oh, cool. Shiba? The metro's here. Hello. Wow. Let's go home. My flowers. It's so hot. I feel like I'm gonna die soon. I need to take a shower. because I'm just so tired. The weather is so nice though. I hope it's not gonna rain later on. And then tonight we're gonna go and have some dinner with Lindsay's cousins. And then back to work again tomorrow. So yeah. I'm just